Well, I think they're waiting for some stimulus at this point. So we saw in May that I think there was we saw that there was some selling going on here, right? Like
Yes.
it dipped, right? And then they bought in a bit because I think they were trying to repositioning with the outcome because there was a lot of I guess events happening. You had the GDP, you had first quarter earnings,
You had the BSP rate hike
you had
as well.
the BSP rate hike, you had the sudden surprise of the BSP of lowering the reserve requirement. So I think it's going to be another quarter. It's going to be a bit slow after we meet or the BSP meets next week, and you're going to have this sideways trading. There's going to be some repositioning ahead of August, right? Because again, you're going to have the same data coming out. You're going to have second quarter GDP. You might have another rebalancing of the MSCI, FTSE. Then you're going to have second quarter earnings. I think people were quite surprised by the outcome of what happened the first quarter, so they're repositioning ahead of the second quarter. Playing out how they think the rest of the year is going to pan out, given how the first quarter actually is happening. So and again, I think they're looking for some impetus, some stimulus, to repositioning. I think there was some news about a foreign fund that said like we're becoming cheap already, right?
Yes.
I mean, we're projected to grow 9%, 10%, depending on how you look at it this year. And then we're down by, if you come from the high, 16, 17%, right? Mm-hmm. So if you go forward looking, we're going to grow 9% this year. Let's say we grow another 10% this year. You're looking at a 20% growth, but the index is falling 16%. So, it's starting to look quite attractive for the Philippines. So hopefully that might be the catalyst and might push it up for the second half of the year.